If you're thinking about investing in Avalara for your business, there are 12 important things you need to know before making your decision. Whether you're new to sales tax automation or considering switching from another service, we'll help you understand what sets Avalara apart and where it might fall short when compared to other options. The first thing you should know is that Avalara is one of the most established players in the sales tax software space. It's trusted by thousands of businesses worldwide, which gives it a solid reputation, but that doesn't automatically make it the best choice for everyone. Unlike some competitors, it offers a wide range of integrations, including platforms like Shopify, QuickBooks, and even Amazon, which can save you time if you're managing multiple channels. Next thing, pricing. Avalara's pricing isn't always transparent. You'll have to contact them for a customized quote based on your specific needs. This can be a bit of a challenge if you're looking for a clear upfront cost. Competitors like TaxJar offer more straightforward pricing plans, which can make it easier to compare options. The third thing to consider is ease of use. Avalara's interface is robust, but it can be overwhelming for smaller businesses that don't need all the bells and whistles. If you're looking for a more user-friendly experience with simpler features, you might find some other tools more intuitive, like Taxify or TaxJar, which are designed with simplicity in mind. Next up, scalability. Avalara really shines when it comes to scaling. If you're a larger enterprise, its ability to handle complex tax situations across multiple jurisdictions is unmatched. However, for smaller businesses, the added complexity might not be necessary. Smaller businesses or startups may find better value in solutions like TaxJar, which cater to less complex needs. The fifth thing you need to know is how Avalara handles customer support. While they do offer 24/7 support, some users have reported long wait times or difficulty getting the help they need during busy seasons. This can be frustrating, especially if your business relies on quick responses for tax compliance. Competitors like TaxCloud are known for more responsive customer service. Moving on to the sixth point, automation. Avalara excels in automating sales tax calculations across a variety of transactions. It's especially helpful for businesses that need real-time tax calculations as orders are placed. However, it's worth noting that other options, such as TaxJar, offer similar automation capabilities at a lower price point. The seventh thing to consider is Avalara's reporting features. While Avalara offers powerful reporting tools, some users find the reports difficult to customize. If you need detailed, tailored reports, you might prefer a competitor that allows more flexibility, such as Vertex, which offers more options for customizing reports. Next thing, global coverage. Avalara stands out for its global tax compliance, supporting VAT and sales tax in multiple countries. This makes it ideal for businesses operating internationally. However, if you only need US-based tax solutions, you may not need to pay for the international features that Avalara provides. Competitors focused on the US, like TaxJar, can be more cost-effective for domestic businesses. The ninth point is integration complexity. While Avalara integrates with many major platforms, setting up those integrations can be a complex process. If you don't have a dedicated IT team, you may find this challenging. On the other hand, simpler options like Taxify are more plug-and-play, requiring less setup time. The 10th thing you need to know is the Avalara community. Avalara has a solid user community with a lot of resources available, but it's not as active or robust as some other competitors like TaxJar, where the community is more engaged, offering quicker insights and advice. Next up, audits. Avalara offers audit support in case your business faces a sales tax audit. However, they charge additional fees for this service. This can be a deterrent if you're a small business and are hoping to avoid extra charges. Some competitors, like TaxJar, include audit support as part of their base package. The 12th and final thing to consider is the trial period. Avalara doesn't offer a free trial, so you'll need to commit before fully understanding if it's right for you. This is a stark contrast to some competitors like TaxJar, which offer free trials, allowing you to test the service before making a financial commitment.